How to connect Eufy Doorbell to Alexa? To connect your Eufy Doorbell to Alexa, you'll need to enable the Eufy Security skill within the Alexa app, link your Eufy account, and then discover your devices. Set up your Eufy Doorbell. Ensure it's installed, connected, and working in the Eufy Security app. Enable the Eufy Security skill. Open the Alexa app, More, Skills and Games. Search for Eufy Security and enable the skill. Link your Eufy account. Log into your Eufy account when prompted to link it with Alexa. Discover devices. Alexa will automatically search for Eufy devices. If not, manually tap Devices plus Add Device to discover them. Create routines, optional. Go to Alexa app, Routines to set actions, such as announce someone's at the door when doorbell is pressed. Adjust settings. Customize notifications, announcements, and other preferences in the Alexa app. Thanks for watching.